Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to the Cybex Solved. Today we will discuss about the cybersecurity. What is the cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the made by the two words cyber plus security. Okay. Actually, cyber word is used as a prefix with the other words like cyber, war, cyber cafe, cyber crime, cyber threats. Okay. On the other hand, security is a protection of people, hardware, software, network, and devices data from the things that may harmful to these things. It includes the detection, prevention, and response. Okay. What is the detection? Detection means finding, discover something which is hidden. In cyber security, we need to identify the weakness and vulnerability. Okay. At the network level, system level, application level, and user level. Now we will discuss about the prevention. What is the prevention here? Prevention means protect our network, system, devices, applications from the threats. It uses the action to reduce the risk. Which type of risk we can use? Encrypting your data. Okay. Regular take the backup of data. Conduct and user level trainings. Keep your system and devices up to date. Use a strong password. Install firewall on the networks. Access management means we need to define the role and responsibilities at the network level, server level, and user levels. Okay. Through this access management, we give the access to the users what application and how to access these things. Passwords. Okay. What is the response? Suppose that if any incident is happened, then what need to do? It is a process by which an organization can handle a data breach or cyber attacks. We need to define how to recover our data. We need to define the steps, how to stop the attack to spread across the system or network. We need to define the plans to restore the applications, systems, and network. And last, post incident review. Okay. Post incident review is very important in the response because of we need to identify the root cause and vulnerabilities by which the cyber breaches and cyber attack has happened. cybersecurity can apply in some few common categories like network security, application security, information security, operational security, and disaster recovery. Okay, disaster recovery is important because of after incident we need to recover our data and system and network. We need to define the BCP, business continuity plan. At the last, end user education. And education is very important because of in the cybersecurity chain, human being is very weakest link which can be easily manipulated by the hackers, attackers and fraudsters. So that we need to ensure the education and awareness of the end user level. This is the cyber security. Okay. It means cyber security is a practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, network and data from malicious attacks that can harm, destroy or damage the systems, networks and etc. So friend, this is the cyber security. Next time we will discuss about the CIA, confidentiality, integrity, availability. So keep watching, keep tuned. Cybex Sword. Thank you. Bye bye.